Audio Jungle.
The 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-class is already being manufactured at the German brand's state-of-the-art Factory 56. Located in Sindelfingen, near Stuttgart, Mercedes-Benz says the new plant is among the world's most technologically advanced and was designed with improved efficiency, sustainability, digitization and production flexibility in mind. The car manufacturer claims 100% carbon neutrality, made possible by a large collection of solar panels, 1,400 kilowatt-hour energy storage system built with recycled car batteries, and the use of natural lighting. It is also 25% more efficient than the previous S-class assembly space. Constructed over 2.5 years, the 220,000 square meter site represents an overall investment of €2.1 billion, approximately $3.4 billion. It employs about 35,000 people. Alongside the current flagship sedan, Mercedes-Benz has confirmed that from next year the S-Class plug-in hybrid and all-electric EQS will also be built at the site. However, the company claims new models can be integrated into series production in just a few days, helped along by the factory's own internal 5G network and MO360 digital infrastructure. Factory 56 is our most advanced automotive production facility worldwide, flexible, digital, efficient and sustainable, says board member for production and supply, Jor Berzer. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.